Hi everyone and welcome. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see the review of organic makeup products. Yes, you heard it right, organic makeup. This video is in collaboration with Organic Harvest, and Organic Harvest has newly launched these organic makeup products. So these products are chemical free and they have been manufactured with certified organic ingredients. So today we'll have a look at all these products and then we will do a full face of makeup with these organic makeup products. So Organic Harvest has these makeup products which are all in affordable range. So you will get these products within 500 rupees and it is skin friendly, chemical free, and you can definitely go ahead and use these products on a daily basis without any fear thinking that your skin will get spoiled. So now let us see at these products one by one and then we will do a full face of makeup. Let's get started. So these are the products launched by Organic Harvest. It's got a BB cream, a compact powder, a moisture matte lipstick, a liquid matte lipstick, a Kohl, and an eyeliner. We will see these products in detail one by one and then let's do a full face of makeup with these products. So first let's have a look at the BB cream. So this is the Weightless BB cream. It is vitamin C infused and enriched with organic almond oil. And all these products are toxin-free, cruelty-free and vegan products. This is of shade Warm Tan. This is the shade. And I think this will go really well for a medium to dusky skin tone. The consistency is really good. So when we start applying it, you will get to know better. The next one is the Soft Matte Compact. And this is how the packaging is. So it comes with a sponge. This is of shade Warm Tan. Again, this is vitamin C infused and it is enriched with the organic almond oil. Next is the Midnight Kohl. This is also with organic almond oil. So this is waterproof and long lasting. So let us see when we try it. Next is the matte liquid eyeliner. This is also with organic almond oil and it is expected to be smudge proof and long lasting. Again, we will have a look at this. Then we have two lipsticks. So one is the moisture matte lipstick and one is the liquid matte lipstick. So this is the moisture matte lipstick. And this is of shade Soft Chestnut. So this is the shade. This is the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is of shade Deep Berry Rose. And this is the shade. So these are the products. Now let us go ahead and use these products and see how it looks. So let's get started. So we'll start with the BB cream. This is of shade Warm Tan. So I'm going to use my fingers and apply it all over my face. I will use a beauty blender to blend this BB cream. So this is blending in really well. The consistency is really good. It gives a good medium coverage. You can build it up more by applying more products if required. And this shade is going well with my skin tone. So if you are in my skin tone, medium to dusky skin, you can definitely go for this shade. Now we'll use the compact. So this is of shade Warm Tan again. I'll use the same sponge given in the compact. So this is giving you a nice matte finish. So this is giving a very nice coverage and it's giving a mattifying look. So for me it is oily skin and I really love this one. I have these two lipsticks, so one of it I will be using it as a blush and as an eyeshadow, and for this I will be using it on my lips. Now let's use this Moisture Matte lipstick as a blush. I'm just applying some in my hand and I'll take a blush brush to go ahead and apply it. So I really like this shade. It's going on well as a blush. Now I'll use a little bit as an eyeshadow as well. You can directly use it on your fingers as well. So I've applied it very lightly. Now let's use the Kohl. This is gliding in really well and it is easy to apply. Now let's get on to the eyeliner. I really like the packaging. Let's create a simple winged eye with this eyeliner. It was easy to create a winged eye with this eyeliner. The bristles are really good. So as you can see, it was so easy to create this winged eye. I really like this eyeliner a lot because other eyeliners I really wasn't able to create a winged eye so quickly and better as I did with this. So let's get on to the lipstick. So this is the Velvet Liquid Matte Lipstick and this is of shade Deep Berry Rose. So this is a really nice dark shade and it will go well with festive days, weddings and any special occasions. So the lipstick is really good. It is giving a matte finish and it is non-sticky. And it is non-transferable. And it is waterproof as well. This is the complete makeup look with the Organic Harvest organic makeup products. So I really love all these products, be it the BB cream, the compact, the eyeliner. The eyeliner is waterproof and the Kohl is also smudge proof and the lipstick is also non-transferable. So I really love all these products. As I said earlier, this is chemical free, it is skin friendly and all the products are affordable. There are various ranges of colors which are available in the lipstick. You can go ahead and check in the website. So there is an offer going on where you get 15% off on the website and extra 15% off on the app. You can use the code makeup15 to go ahead and avail this offer. So go ahead and buy these organic makeup products from Organic Harvest. So as I said, it is skin friendly and you can definitely go ahead and use it on daily basis without any fear thinking that your skin will get spoiled. So this is a skin caring product. So go ahead with this. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.